Hi, it's Frank from Mann Lake, and we're going to talk about beekeeping in the central part of the country at the moment. We're coming into early May. What do we need to be doing? What do we need to be watching out for? Hopefully, you've already been watching for the bees thinking about swarming, or you've gone in there already and split them out so they don't swarm. Any one of our colonies that's overwintered and is healthy is going to want to swarm. So that's where we have our nuke boxes where we can make a nuke. We could actually split this colony. We could take this top box off, put it on another hive stand, let the bees make their own queen. The weather down here now is pretty nice. The bees are able to fly. There's plenty of drones out there. The nectar flow has started. They can make a queen. So we could split these out, whichever method you want to use, it's fine. Or if they aren't swarming, if you've already broken them down to pull off a nuke or whatever, to weaken them slightly to get rid of that swarm pressure, we're going to grow this hive and start making honey. The flow is starting, so we've got to be prepared for that. So once we've gotten this to where we think, okay, our bees are good, they're not going to swarm, now we got to think about honey production. My recommendation usually is start out in the springtime with at least 2 supers. We want to give those bees plenty of room to store that honey. So we give them a lot of space so they can continue to keep brood down here, whether we're running a single deep, a deep and a medium, 3 mediums for our brood nest configuration, whatever you choose to run for that, and we do various ones depending what our goal is. We always want to have enough space up here so the bees are going to constantly move that nectar up there and keep mostly brood and pollen down in here. That's all we need to do through this part of the year. Once we get into June and early July, we'll talk mite treatments. You know, maybe you've done one early already this year, but now primarily we're going to be concerned about mitigating swarming and making honey, making sure our bees are healthy and growing. All right, that's all we got to do in May.